Okay.
行，我感觉后背。
不好是吧？
哦，行。
稍等一下啊。再去。Our restrictions here in low back, so we're going to go ahead and perform a side posture adjustment here. Breathe in for me, and all the way out. Very good. Let me have you turn facing the other way for me. Okay, same thing on this side. We're going to go ahead and have her bend the knee here. Give me this arm right here, right there. All right, we're also going to move the pelvis here from posterior to anterior. Take a deep breath for me, and all the way out. Very good.
Upwards. Move to the next vertebrae and do the same thing. How does it feel?
Oh, it feels relaxing.
Awesome. Next one. Click. For the next technique, you have to ask the other person to breathe out, hold, and relax. And what you have to do is put both hands on the upper back and press gently until you hear a cracking sound. So, breathe out, hold, and relax. Now the pressure. So,
入りますよ。
すごいな。すごいな。胸張ってる、胸張ってる。はい、鼻で大きい息吸って。はいはい。よし、いいよだ。はい。鼻で大きい息。はい。
ちょっと変に力を。
もう一回息吸って。はいはい。よし、OK、きれいだ。首は100点。
首は100点なのね。
はい。はい。いきますよ。まっすぐ向けて、はい。はい、来た。はい。はい。次から、ズドン。はい。オッケー。オッケー。左。
Perfect.
Okay, we're going to start at the top, Jay. So big breath in and out. Good job again.
На место на ломбални пешни, обирате луфта, стягате с краката.
About to crack my back. Get close to that. Oh. Wow. Don't further up, please.